Hello everyone, this is RVer Frank, having some more RV fun. I keep my RV in a storage area and it's very secure. Cops come in here to do the reports. So there's a lot of activity, there's alarms, what have you. But both here and at the campsites, you know, these RVs can be vulnerable. So what I've come up with is a simple, I guess, deterrent. This is a Bunker Hill Security Products. Get these at Harbor Freight. I think it's a couple for $4, $5. And if you set this thing, gives you some time to close the door, lock it, and if there's any jarring of that door, quite annoying. So I'll go ahead and close this up. So it'll get your attention. Someone's not going to want to stick around and jimmy this door. Somebody's not going to want to stick around and jimmy with that door once they set that alarm. They'll move on to the next guy who may not have anything. I'd be very interested to know what folks put in their RV other than a mad dog. All we have is a Maltese. She's in there. She might be annoying enough to deter anyone from wanting to get in there or take her. But anyway, that's what I've done to try to address, again, I just stick it right on that door with some Velcro so it wobbles just enough but not so sensitive that locking the door sets it off. So anyway, this is my take on some simple deterrents for security. Maybe it works, maybe it won't, who knows? I won't be around to know. Around the RV, that is. Anyway, hope you enjoy watching. Thanks. Take care.
I want you to get up and walk like a duck.
Me?
Yes.
I always walk like a duck. What are you talking about? Do the duck walk.
Hey, Molly, let's do the duck walk.
Do the duck walk.